Yeah, the bushes.
He could be nice.
Yeah. He was so good when we took him to William and Mary, and I scolded him.
Yeah.
But then he was bad for the show.
It's because people don't.
When I wrote him,
Yeah.
when I wrote him last semester, Chelsea, he do ride with one we started. I went him on rain, and he wouldn't listen to my legs. There was no picture, and I just put him with the top. So it was a private. I have a private. I had a private on Caliber. I had a private on
Chelsea's baby.
So.
She sent me this picture, that's it. She didn't put any words with it. It's like,
Well, she's probably going to send it to everybody.
You guys are natural because yesterday this was our question. I didn't know where to
Wait, what?
she texted the wrong person.
Yeah. Alyssa was listening to this group message and like
I was like, what was she
like on
supposed
a
to do
wrong
tomorrow?
like a wrong person. I guess she put